Selling isn't about pushing products. It's about pulling emotions. The best sellers don't talk more. They listen better. Today, I'll show you how to sell anything easily, confidently, and without feeling fake. Ever wondered why some people can sell anything, a pen, an idea, or even a dream, while others struggle no matter how good the product is? Here's the truth. People don't buy products. They buy feelings. When you sell something, you're not just offering a thing. You're offering how it makes them feel. Confident, smarter, happier, or safer. Let me tell you the first rule of easy selling. Understand people, not products. Spend more time listening. Ask questions like, "What's your biggest problem?" or "What are you trying to achieve?" Once they talk, they'll reveal what they really want. And that's your key to selling easily. The second rule, show value before price. If you start talking about price too early, they start comparing. But if you show value first, how your product makes their life better, they'll feel it's worth it. Think of it like this. People don't buy a $200 watch just to know the time. They buy it for confidence and style. And third rule, believe in your product. If you don't feel proud while selling it, people won't trust you. Your energy sells more than your words. Confidence is contagious. When you truly believe, your eyes, your voice, and even your silence sells. So next time you sell, don't chase customers. Connect with them. Don't focus on closing the deal. Focus on opening a relationship. Because in business, trust is the real currency. And the moment people trust you, selling becomes effortless.